Here is how you can create a working email agent in N8N in just under 2 minutes. So first add an agent node. Select the model. This serves as the brain of the agent. Connect your OpenAI account and save for memory. Choose Simple Memory. Next we need to add tools, so these are the apps the agents will use. Since we are storing our employees' email address information in a new table, so we will add these Airtable node. Here you need to first connect your Airtable Personal Access Token account. Select record from the resource dropdown, choose search for specific records or list all under the operation dropdown. Now select the appropriate Airtable base. So, in this case, it's employee management. Up next, choose a table from the selected page, so it's the employees one for me. Next up, leave the formula to be auto-generated by the model, but we will add a description. We are telling the AI model to get the record for the name of the recipient. We are going to specify in the chat trigger message and match it to the employee name in the employee table above in Airtable. Next, we allow this return or field to be auto-determined by the model as well. For the description, we are going to say, turn the employee's email that matches to get the correct result back. So this is it. Next, we just save this configuration. Now let's add another tool to Gmail. Note this one right here. So this gives the agent the ability to actually send emails through your Gmail account. You're going to need to connect with your Gmail account. First, we leave these fields as it is, so we enable the option for the AI to determine the email recipient based on the message content, and also the subject line and body and the email automatically. After that, we would just add a basic description. We are telling the model to always sign off the email as the sender name. So in this case, I'm putting in AI Agent's Mastery. Lastly, go back to the agent node here, click Add Option, then select System Message. I'm going to paste in this. We are telling our AI agent to use the name of the recipient, which we are going to specify in the chat trigger method, and find their email in the employee table within Airtable, and that's it. Your email agent is ready. Now, let's click on Open Chat. And when you send a message, like for example, send an email to Sarah Johnson asking her to finalize the Q2 marketing report by Friday. What happens at the back end is that the AI agent will extract the name Sarah Johnson, look up her email in this Airtable, then it's going to generate a message and send it out via Gmail. So let's test it live. Hit send. The agent reads the message, searches the Airtable for Sarah's email, drops out the message, and sends it. As you can see, it has succeeded, successfully executed. And there you go, the email is delivered.